Hello everyone, I would like to share how you can improve the look and accuracy of the Hobby Boss MS-1 suspension, bogies and wheels. My approach is to modify the kit parts. Firstly, I worked on improving the look of the casted part at the bottom by adding styrene belts, changing the cross section. Then I used putty to improve the look of it. Secondly, I added the cover to the bogie cylinder. I prepared a shape from 0.2mm HIPS styrene. And then wrapped it all around. Because the bogies were produced as a one standard assembly, all of them have the clevis to install the rod like the first pair of bogies. I added a rectangular part, probably it is a slider for the track teeth, as it is seen in the pictures from the museum. As for the wheels, I added a circular part to cover the wheel, and then I used the hole pattern from the inside to mark the holes by the drill. After that, I opened the holes with a needle. I did it in this way as I didn't have a so small drill, and kit holes were used also as a guidance to mark the centers. In this way we end up with a nice pattern of holes that we can fill with bolts in the next step. Over here I'm using a Resign aftermarket ones, but you can use whatever you have. As for the central part, which should be a bigger nut with the additional cover, I will glue them when my self-made castings are fully cured. After all this work, you can see the improvement from the front and sideways. I hope that you found this video useful for improving your model. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.